So for our crew today, what we did is yesterday we pre-prepped everything here. Had all the equipment up on the roof this morning. We kept our epoxies on warmers last night inside of the stairwell, and we pre-weighed all of our resin so that all we had to do was take our B, pre-weighed, pour it into the A, and start mixing. This cuts down on our time on the roof today, as we are limited and have to have the water on and sewers flowing by 5 p.m. and perform all the reinstatements for both the 4-inch and the 3-inch line. So we have Stephen out here, he's mixing now. All that other equipment. And here's where we're wetting it out for the liner. Looks a little too pink for me. I like it bright red, but it happens. So we have a specially made 125-pound roller.
See that? Hold.
Final delivery of cowl tube for 3-inch cast iron pipe with multiple reinstatements. As you can see, we're out here in sunny Newport Beach. We've already stuck in one 75-foot 4-inch CIPP perma-liner liner and one 3-inch 75-foot CIPP perma-liner inversion liner. As you can see off the roof here, parking garage is all the way down there. We have some boats and stuff cruising through. And this is our medium inversion machine here. So we loaded everything in, direct shot through the inversion 90 and using the tank. So when we're done, we hook everything to a couple small pancake compressors, and then we set our pressure regulator at 10 pounds. It's about 8 pounds here, still probably filling a little bit. Everything is locked and ready to go, and we will let ambient air cure while we clean up. While we clean up, we have to start setting up for all of our reinstatements. So my guys will bring the robots and everything up. We have extra guys here today as we're doing multiple roof vents. As you can see, all the roof vents that are getting lined are marked with blue. Blue meaning they're descaled, and red meaning they're getting relined. So we have about 130 roof vents that we'll be doing here, minus the ones that we've already started lining. So this one got lined a couple months ago. So as they move tenants around, see that this one is all relined and good to go. And we have a bunch of them that we've already done. We've done all the emergencies first. This is the day in the life of A1 Total Service Lining Division.